Purchase College Library has many ebooks and online textbooks that you can read in their entirety at no cost to you. This video will show you how to find ebooks from the library's website. The Library Discovery Search has some ebooks, including open access titles. However, Discovery does not contain all the ebooks that the library subscribes to. The best place to begin your search is the eBooks Help Guide. Navigate to Help Guides and select the eBooks Guide. This guide brings together several ebook databases all in one convenient place. Just click on any of the database links to get started. Each database contains different ebooks, so if you're looking for a specific title, make sure you try more than one ebook database. If you're off campus, you'll be asked to log in with your Purchase College username and password. Once inside a database, you can search by keyword, title, author, ISBN, and more. There are also advanced search options. Simply click on a result to view the full text. Ebook databases each look a little different, but they should all have options for you to read the entire book online, download the book, or download a PDF of a chapter. We recommend starting from the eBooks guide. However, you can find some ebooks in the Discovery search as well. Remember, Discovery Search also contains journal articles, newspapers, films, and print books in the library's physical collections. To limit your results to ebooks only, you'll need to use filters. Select the Almost Everything scope, then select Books under Resource Type. You may have to click Show More. Next, under Availability, select Available Online. Then click Apply Filters. Your results should now contain only ebooks. Once you've found the ebook you want, simply click on the title. Follow the links within the item record to view the full text online. Note that the Discovery search does not contain any full text itself, but it will link you to the full text from other ebook databases. Finally, if you run into any problems or need help locating a specific ebook, you can always ask a librarian.